This is the practice test for measurements, and here we're working on problem number 12. It states Paul is 1.7 meters tall and Raymond is 6 feet tall. Who is taller? So we need to convert the meters into feet so we can compare the height of Paul and Raymond. So we want to convert 1.7 meters into the number of feet. If we go to our formula sheet, we don't find one formula that will do this conversion, so we're going to have to do it in 2 steps. And the first thing we want to do is to convert the 1.7 meters into centimeters, and we do that by using this metric system table here. It's on your handout on the lower left-hand corner, and we're starting with meters and we want to go to centimeters. So in using the table, we go to what we're given, meters, and the meters is the basic unit right in the center, and we want to convert to centimeters, and that is going to be 2 places to the right, and so I'm going to move my decimal point 2 places to the right in this number. 1, 2, I have to add a 0, and so 1.7 meters is 170 centimeters. And now I want to convert the centimeters into feet, and we are looking here at a metric system unit and a US unit, so we're going to convert between metric and US. We go to our formula sheet and we are looking at length, and I find a conversion formula right here between feet and centimeters. 1 foot is 30 centimeters, and so that's the formula that I'm going to use. Back in my problem, I take that formula, 1 foot is 30 centimeters, I set it up as a ratio, and we're going to solve by a proportion. So we have 170 centimeters. That is the height of Paul. He's 170 centimeters. I'm going to put that on the bottom because I have centimeters on the bottom on the left, and I'm going to solve for the number of feet on the top right. And once I have my proportions set up, I look for my 2 numbers across from one another, 1 and 170. I multiply them, and then I divide by the leftover number, and I end up with 5.67 feet. Now, Paul is 5.67 feet. That's his height. Raymond is 6 feet. So Raymond is taller than Paul. 6 feet is greater than 5.67. Raymond is taller, and that's our answer.